Littlebird is marketed as an AI-powered productivity and task tracking platform that supposedly organizes workflows and helps teams stay on top of projects. But the real question is, does it actually track tasks well, or is it another AI productivity tool? Now, to be fair, AI productivity tools can genuinely save time. Features like automated summaries, reminders, and workflow organization are becoming increasingly useful in modern project management software. What it does well can help organize tasks centrally. Platforms like this often make it easier to keep assignments, deadlines, and project notes in one place. AI summaries and automation can save time. Automatic meeting notes, reminders, or workflow suggestions may reduce repetitive admin work. Where the hype starts showing, AI cannot magically manage chaos. This is the biggest reality check. Productivity software still depends heavily on users entering accurate information and maintaining workflows consistently. Automation quality may feel inconsistent. AI-generated task tracking can sometimes miss context, misunderstand priorities, or create clutter. The platform may overlap heavily with existing tools. Many AI productivity apps end up recreating features already available in Notion, ClickUp, Asana, or Trello. So, does Littlebird AI actually track tasks as promised? Short answer, probably reasonably well for basic organization, but not as magically as the marketing suggests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.